Hi everyone, this is Tony Odisho, and today I'll be showing you the new item that we have at the store, my favorite mister. This is an air mister. Literally, you can just one press and it continues spraying. And today I will be giving you ideas at how I use this mister in the salon. When I apply or fill the mister with the water, I like to add a couple of drops of essential oils just to give it a nice fragrance when I'm spraying in the client's hair to create nice experience. That's one way I can use this, just to spray it with water and some essential oils. I've also filled one of them with alcohol to sanitize my station, spray my station. This is 91% alcohol. That's another way to fill in and put alcohol in these bottles. They work really great. At home, what I like to do, I like to use my toners. Fill the toners in the bottle and literally just spray your face in the toner. It's gonna give you a nice soft mist. And also what I've done in the salon when I'm doing color is fill it with a equalizing solution. We use Aveda right here. So we have an Aveda equalizing solutions in it. So when I'm applying the color or spreading the color out, I spray the hair with the equalizing solution. And that's another way you can utilize this bottle for different uses. Thank you for watching. This is Tony Odisho. For more tips and tricks, please go to our Instagram, Tony_Odisho.